This week I'm testing the Ford Focus Active. It's a 5-seater SUV. And these are my top 3 family-friendly BabyDrive features. Number 1 is you can fit 3 child seats in the back here, which is fantastic. Number 2 are the really good BabyDrive friendly features in here. It's got a child lock on the door here for the windows and the doors. Also a great seatbelt visual, for if any seatbelts are removed, you can really clearly see on the display in front of the steering wheel. Number 3 is the media system in here. It's really nice and easy and simple to use. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and when you put it into reverse, the image is really good, and you can really easily turn these parking sensors off with the buttons on your steering wheel and zoom in, which has been fantastic this week when parking. I've really enjoyed driving the Ford Focus this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.